here, my favorite spot, AJ's Grill. The salmon is just as cheap to buy it here and have them cook it for me as it is for me to go inside and buy it and make it myself and stink up my house. You know what to do. We're gonna order some grilled salmon. It's gonna be emotional. While it's cooking, we're gonna run inside, get our sides, get our lovelies, grab the salmon on our way out, go home, then we'll show you guys what we got. See you in a minute. Jeez, you see this? She's just approaching. But I'm gonna eat all my sides inside. Sides out here are a little weak, I'll be honest. Hi, good. I have 3 salmons, no buns. One box is fine.
Lemon and aioli?
Just the lemon, please.
Oh, no bread. No bread. No bread. Okay.
That's it.
All right.
How are you? Good. What I got for you, mister? Sashimi combo. Salmon with the salmon. Tuna with the salmon. Doubling down. Key. Don't ever forget. I get home so often and I'm like, oh shit, I didn't grab any chopsticks. So, she's gonna make me a lollipop. They are amazing. You know what a lollipop is? It's like cucumber and then a bunch of seafood and then a stick. It's refreshing. It's like cleansing your palate. We're gonna cleanse the palate with the appetizer, then get into the salmon. Now watch this. Add it to the list. Add it to the list of reasons that we go to AJ's. Right there. You want a cucumber magical lollipop? She makes you one. Alright, I'm feeling better now about this debacle with the salads. So let's go pay for this, handle the debacle mentally, and then we're gonna move on. We're gonna go to McDonald's, we're gonna get some chocolate chip cookies. Alright, let's do this.
You can put ginger on it.
Ah, the decisions. Going cream soda. What would you like? Step 1. Remove the stupid plastic thing from your face.
There he is.
Here he
You
is.
got a ticket to go?
Yes, ma'am.
I have this bag.
Wow. They set you guys up with the monsters.
Well, they ran out of plastic. The store.
Oh, that's what happened the other day. They gave me paper without even asking. I was like,
Yeah, they didn't get our shipment in. I don't know. What would you like?
nothing, just the lemons. If they're in there, we're good.
Yeah, nothing else, huh?
No, ma'am. Thank
All
you so
right,
much.
Jerry. You have a great day.
You too. See you tomorrow.
See ya. Now you gotta look at that.
We got our basics, but I still need my McDonald's chocolate chip cookies. And because it's off season and I'm shredded, I might get a sundae to eat on the way home too. So let's go do that. You guys are gonna love this. And McDonald's, if you get a Diet Coke from there, it's 99 cents no matter what size you get. $1.08 out the door. Let's go. Stewart's. It's a secret of the pros. A lot of you young bucks probably never even had cream soda. But sometimes you gotta get something as old as the guy drinking it. Since 1924. So you guys give me shit for how I look. But when you realize that Stuart and I were born on the same fucking day in 1924, I'm looking sharp. And then you're starting to do the math. You're like, man, I kind of look like him. I'm like, yeah, and your mom was young when I met her. She taught me about stewards. Ask her, she'll tell you. It's an emotional time in my life. Somehow I dodged paying any sort of alimony on your little shits. But, okay, none of that actually happened. But if I was actually as old as I look, my physique would be very impressive. But instead, there's just this mess. All right, we gotta go. Let's go get some fucking cookies. Because no matter what age you are, chocolate chip cookies and sundaes make you feel young again. Let's do this. Assholes, young bastards. I hate you. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. I love you. I'm kidding. No? Just saying. Alright, we gotta plug in. Listen to some 70s music back from when I was a kid. A lot of people in this parking lot. It gets intimidating. I'm glad I trust this fucking camera so much. Boom. We're going forward. McDonald's! Here we come. I could use some french fries, but I'm trying to keep it tight. 2 weeks out from 2 weeks from now. Not actually doing anything in 2 weeks, but you definitely don't want to be fatter than you are now. I've got to wait at least 4 for the beard to come in on the chin line. A little longer. And then it'll just be that I'm old with gray hair, but you guys won't know how fat I've gotten until the cheeks. They actually start to go up. Like defying gravity and fatness. You guys will see. I'll point it out later. When I'm extra fat, I'm like, this is what I was talking about. See how fat I am? Anyways, I digress. What were we talking about? That's right, McDonald's. Okay, it's getting a little long. We'll see you guys in a minute. So here's the thing. I didn't even go through the drive-thru, and I didn't even order, but I suddenly have a hot fudge sundae and chocolate chip cookies down here. I can't reach them. And the reason that I know that it just magically happened is because why wouldn't we have any footage if I had went through the drive-thru and seen someone? Because obviously we would film that. So the bottom line is this: I am magic. We drove by, it ended up in the car, and here we go. That's how I know it's on my diet, though, because I didn't ask for it. It just showed up. Look at this shit. Look at that. Oh, oh, don't drip on me. You still flip. In and flip is key. The calories actually hit you differently if you in and flip it. If you want to maintain abs while going to McDonald's and having sundaes, I'll show you the technique one more time for those of you who did not catch it. And if you fuck it up and get fat, understand, that's on you. So I've taught you the perfect technique. You go in. Right? You got that? So in, and then before you close, help, pull. If you fuck it up, you're gonna get fat. I'm telling you. Not just your face like me, like all of it. Fat everywhere. And ladies, if it's your fat, it will not end up on your ass where we want it. Or your boobs. It's going to all the areas you don't want. If you flip, the fat will land in all the right places. And while we're on the subject, ladies, I don't know how we got here. I blame Todd. Do not be afraid of dessert or a little extra body fat. It is sexy. I love it. We love it. Men and women alike. And I know that you're not dressing or getting your body for me or anyone else, because fuck men. But for yourself, enjoy a sundae. And the fact that I get a fringe benefit of it landing properly on your body, it's a great thing. And it makes guys like me make bad decisions. Money just falls out of our wallets. It buys purses that cost thousands of dollars. I don't even know. But it all starts with sundaes and desserts and tacos. Don't order a salad, and surely don't tell me you're gonna have a couple of my fries. I want you to order your own fries, and I'm gonna pay for them. And I'm gonna know that you and I are tight, because I love you for who you are and for not touching my fucking fries. This has been a public service announcement for Dusty and juicy booties. Until next time, I'm gonna eat my little sundae. Grab.